The sun. The sun is the driving force of the water cycle. The sun's rays heat the ocean or lakes or other accumulation sources, just big puddles of water. All right, so that causes evaporation, which turns into water vapor, then condensation, it forms into clouds. The clouds get heavier and colder, and that's when precipitation like rain and snowfall. Then this becomes runoff water when it melts, and it goes into streams and rivers, and it makes its way finally to the ocean again to complete the water cycle. So why is drinking water so important, and how does it get to our houses? Water is so important because your body is 60% water. Hey, your brain is 75% water. You lose body water all day long. So it's really important to keep drinking water as you go for healthy skin, fighting infections, and things like boosting energy. So we're extremely lucky here in Western New York because we live in what's called the Great Lakes watershed. There's tons of accumulating water around here for us to drink. And that thing that you see out in Lake Erie, that's a water intake. All the water for Buffalo goes through that into the Colonel Ward pumping station, where it's pumped into these tubes, then into the lab to be treated. Then it comes out of your running faucet for you to drink at home. So we're going to go to my expert buddy on this. His name is Coach O'Hare. He's the health teacher out in Eden. Coach, go ahead and take it away.
Hi, I'm Mr. O'Hare, and I'm the health teacher at Eden Middle and High School. I have 2 tips to help you stay healthy this week. Number 1, try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and that'll make you feel a lot better, both physically and mentally. Number 2, try to get on a good sleep routine. I know it's tough without going to school every day, but getting on a nice sleep schedule will help you feel better throughout the day.
All right, thank you, Coach, for the advice. Strong body, strong mind. Keep drinking lots of water, keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, be safe.